Welcome to the Executive Order Audio Library, where we read Trump's executive orders in full so you can stay informed about what they contain. If you find this resource helpful, please like this video so others can find it too. To stay on top of future executive orders, please click subscribe and allow notifications so you can be alerted when new recordings are available. This is a reading of Executive Order 14206, Protecting Second Amendment Rights. By the authority vested in me as President, by the Constitution and the laws of the United States of America, it is hereby ordered. Section 1. Purpose. The Second Amendment is an indispensable safeguard of security and liberty. It has preserved the right of the American people to protect ourselves, our families, and our freedoms since the founding of our great nation. Because it is foundational to maintaining all other rights held by Americans, the right to keep and bear arms must not be infringed. Section 2. Plan of Action. A. Within 30 days of the date of this order, the Attorney General shall examine all orders, regulations, guidance, plans, international agreements, and other actions of executive departments and agencies to assess any ongoing infringements of the Second Amendment rights of our citizens, and present a proposed plan of action to the President through the Domestic Policy Advisor to protect the Second Amendment rights of all Americans. B. In developing such proposed plan of action, the Attorney General shall review at a minimum 1. All presidential and agencies' actions from January 2021 through January 2025 that purport to promote safety but may have impinged on the Second Amendment rights of law-abiding citizens. 2. Rules promulgated by the Department of Justice, including by the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives, from January 2021 through January 2025, pertaining to firearms and/or federal firearms licenses. 3. Agencies' plans, orders, and actions regarding the so-called Enhanced Regulatory Enforcement Policy pertaining to firearms and/or federal firearms licensees. 4. Reports and related documents issued by the White House Office of Gun Violence Prevention. 5. The positions taken by the United States in any and all ongoing and potential litigation that affects or could affect the ability of Americans to exercise their Second Amendment rights. 6. Agencies' classifications of firearms and ammunition. And 7. The processing of applications to make, manufacture, transport, or export firearms. Section 3. Implementation. Upon submission of the proposed plan of action described in Section 2 of this order, the Attorney General shall work with the Domestic Policy Advisor to finalize the plan of action and establish a process for implementation. Signed, Donald J. Trump, The White House, February 25, 2025. This concludes the reading of Executive Order 14206, Protecting Second Amendment Rights. To stay on top of future executive orders, please click subscribe and allow notifications so you can be alerted when new recordings are available.